Okay, there are three benefits that this child will get. Okay, number one, it has a preparation for handwriting skills. Number two, it will improve their hand-eye coordination. Number three, it's teaching for the self-help. And the bonus is they can develop more proper motor skills and good eating habits. Okay, suitable age for these toys, of course, starting from 2 years and above. So it depends on the parents' goals, whether you want to teach them how to use utensils or to teach them about self-help. It depends on your goals. Okay, so I hope it will help. Alright, have fun. Bye-bye.